Hey guys, it's your buddy Rom. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the really cool features of this new camera from Yololiv, the Yololiv Cam, which is this little guy right here. Now, what's unique about this is that you can utilize this in portrait or landscape. So we have two different devices here. We have the Yolobox Mini and we have the Yololiv Instream over here. The Instream is designed for portrait-oriented live streaming. So as you guys can see, we have the magnets underneath here. I'm just going to connect this right to the stand. And you guys can see that we are getting video here. So if I rotate this guy around a little bit, just so you can see a little bit better what we're seeing on the screen here. So this is in real time in portrait orientation, right? No problems there. It works perfectly. This is going to be ideal if you're doing live streams to Instagram or to TikTok or whatever the case is going to be. Now, let's say you want to stream in the traditional sense. You know, you want to stream over to like, say, for instance, YouTube or something like that. Then it's going to work just as easily. So all I'm doing here is I'm going to plug this now into the Yolobox Mini. And I'm going to just rotate the camera to portrait, like so. And as soon as it recognizes the camera, once it powers it up, you guys will see it will automatically switch over to that other orientation. All right, so there we are. Now we have the similar video feed coming in, and this is real time, as you guys can see. So yes, this is a very efficient designed camera, very well engineered. So regardless of what type of platform you want to stream to, this little 4K camera, guys, I think it's going to be a great addition to your home, office, man cave, she shed, whatever the case it is. So definitely check this camera out. I think this, for a lot of people going into 2026, getting ready to start live streaming, creating content, this is a camera that you definitely want to have on your radar. So again, this is the Yolocam from Yololiv. And of course, it is working with a few of their devices, but I've also tested this same camera with a variety of different devices, including MacBooks, PCs, and so on. And the results have been phenomenal. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.